Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Supreme9 here, back at it again with another short little unboxing video. We got a couple packages in from week 7, I believe. This is just gonna be a few of the teas that I got from my live cop, and then some toothpaste that I got with my Swiss Soul iOS bot. Then I also did get this also earlier that I did unbox, and this one I am going to be trying out, but not on camera. Obviously, I'm just going to be brushing my teeth with this. But this did also come with a pretty nice sticker pack. Regular box logo it came with a nice black Smurfs box logo right there. These other two stickers I'm not too crazy about, but it's the Stay Fresh sticker, whatever that one is, or Ultra Fresh, and just the pills for that right there. But here is the Colgate toothpaste up close and personal. That's the box. It says Supreme, Colgate, Supreme again, and the drug facts and all that stuff on the back. This is what the actual tube here looks like. Just says Supreme right there, and then a little Supreme box logo on the back with other facts and writing and stuff. It's just the cavity protection flavor, and it is just white. Toothpaste is actually just white. So I'll go ahead and get into this unboxing. I will open up this one here, which is probably, feels like it's gonna be this one's gonna be more toothpaste. I did get a 4-pack of them. Alright, here we go. We got more stickers, looks like, with this. Alright, no Smurfs box logo, unfortunately. We have this one right here, the clientele tee, and the clientele sticker, another pills one, don't care about that. Just a different color of the Ultra Fresh sticker. Not too happy about those stickers, but whatever. Still got a sticker pack. I can just smell like the mint off of this. Double wrap this in paper. So yeah, I got 4 pack here. All 4 right there. I'll put that off to the side. So this one is going to be my tea cart that I got in my live cop. If you guys want to check out the live cop for this week's drop, it was week 7. I will link that up here in the corner. So with this package, it only looks like we only got 2 box logos, unfortunately. That's not that cool. Alright, so the first one is going to be this Supreme Scratch Tee in black. I did get all extra large sizes. So here is the scratch. And I did actually like the colors on the black tee. I'm thinking about keeping this one. This would be the only one that I would keep. So there's that. Next one is going to be the Sun Tee. I did get this. Yeah, the Sun Tee here, extra large, and the gray colorway. I'm not going to unds this one because I'm going to sell it, obviously. So I'm going to keep it in the plastic. Here's the tag. I actually kind of do like the heather gray colorway, not going to lie. And the last and final tee is going to be the Supreme Clientele tee in the light pink colorway. This one's a pretty brick of a tee, but at least it's an extra large, so I can still make money, and it is in like pink. Even guys like pinks too. I still thought it was a pretty fire colorway, but I'm not gonna keep this one. It's gonna be for the resale. There's that for the little unboxing there for you guys. I do actually have one more tee coming in for this week. It is the Smurfs tee that I got with my Swiss Soul iOS, but unfortunately that one's only like a large or a medium, so it's not really like a small or an extra large. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like if you did. Please subscribe to the channel for more future content like this. That would be much appreciated. And as always, guys, peace.